I'm seeing some shelves here.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
I'm seeing some huffing and puffing here. And I'm seeing some screwing around.
Totally.
Look at that concentration.
Aha.
Yes.
That's better.
Hey, good job.
Thanks,
A few more to go.
Yeah.
All right.
Do that again and push my shoulder again. That was funny. You have to...
Okay. You know what? OSHA would have a fit. No shoes on.
This is Hawaii.
Okay. Can you get that one?
I'll try. It's way up
Okay,
there, though.
come on.
Okay, hold on. There we go. Got it.
Yay. Teamwork. Yeah, see, we made these shelves just a hair short so she can maneuver these around later on.
Yeah.
We've got them adjusted approximate, but Terry, you can always adjust those however, you know?
Exactly. Look at all that shelving.
Yes, I'm wondering
What?
why you haven't done this before.
Where were you before?
Oh, okay. I got you. I'm here now.
There we go. Look
Okay.
at that. I love it.
All right.
There's room up there for storage.
Oh, wow, way up there.
I can put boots down here. I can have the low shoes here, and then we're gonna do another set of shelving right here.
That's a good girl. Make it nice and smooth.
Especially this stuff.
Yes, because see, that's plywood there. It cuts a little rough.
It is rough.
See, it's painted on one side, so you put the paint side down or however, so you can't see it. Maybe the very top one you're going to face up and the bottom one you're going to face down.
Good idea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good thinking.
All right. I see you got those nice little
Yeah.
brackets in the right slots. Very nice.
And see, we don't care if we have plywood on this side because when I'm filming for my YouTube channel,
Yes.
you won't really be showing this side. You see this more than you see this. So we
Right.
don't
That's
care.
why we decided to think strategically
Yes.
and put the 1/2" or 5/8 plywood, 1/2" plywood shelves on this wall, and we only had enough.
And Joe, we didn't have to buy anything. We had all these supplies.
Yes, that was very sneaky of you. What are you doing?
I'm busy rasping.
You're busy rasping. A true non-professional. Look at her hands. Look at her hands. And look what's in her nail bag. The gloves are just sitting there.
I should totally be wearing
Oh,
my gloves
brother.
right now.
Oh, brother. Oh,
I'm so excited to
goodness.
rasp.
Yeah, you rasped all right.
But you know what? You've got a point because these things are sharp.
Yeah. We're going to have to get some tweezers and pull out all the slivers. Okay. Will you hurry up and get done? What time is it anyways? That's all I want to know.
Late.
That's all I want to know.
Joe and I have both worked full days today and we're doing this.
Yes.
We're on a mission.
All for some silly shoes.
I know. Some silly YouTube channel.
No, that's the good part. That's not the silly part. Come on.
Okay, you're right.
I thought I had you trained better than that.
I know. There.
Okay.
Voila.
Voila. Yeah, see, wait. Now see that shelf there?
Yes.
If you're standing on the ground, see, you can see the green. I can see the green.
Yeah,
I
but
can't
we're
see
gonna
the
paint
top.
these, remember?
I know, but see, you can flip that up. Flip the green up.
Flip it up,
Yeah,
Terry.
flip it. Very good.
Oh,
Then
you're
see,
so
you,
smart.
now you can't see it, even when we paint it. After we paint it,
Clever, look at that.
zing.
Oh,
Oh, very good, very good. Oh, okay, that's for starters. What do we get to do now? Come on, come on, come on.
Clean up. We always clean up after our work projects.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, boss.
Okay.
Now, if you will remember, we were going to make these shelves in a U-shaped, which meant we were going to put some over on this side too. But there's a cabinet here, and Terry's What do you have in this cabinet anyways? You got dyes and stuff like
Yeah,
that?
this is what I dye my wedding shoes. I have these little, all these bottles of dyes in
Oh,
there.
okay. So that has to stay in there. And you know what? In a pinch, you could almost leave that right there if you wanted to.
Exactly.
But, and then later on, you could add some more shelves over here.
Sure.
But the thought is, for right now, this little shelf area is going to be pushed over here against the electrical panel.
Yeah.
And if you ever need to get into the electrical panel, you can just slide this over because it's just plastic.
Easy peasy.
You know, and you still have enough room right there if you ever get bigger and if you want to do more shoes. More shoes and wait for a bigger batch, you can put shelves there.
Yep.
And you can put another long one above that electrical panel there too.
That's right, absolutely.
Okay? So you got more room for
And
expansion.
I need it.
Yes, you do.